What's up, guys? Let's take a little closer look at DogWifHat coin today. Want to talk about it really. So DogWifHat trading at $2.40. It's another one of those meme coins I consider sort of top tier category, and they're in that kind of hot pocket of sort of between $1 and $3 billion market capital, which kind of in the long term makes me believe they can do that kind of 5x thing to get where Shiba and Dogecoin are, because I don't think Shiba and Dogecoin are going to 5x as easily as some of these kind of lower tier meme coins, kind of like Pepe coin and DogWifHat and Brett and things like that. So we're looking at $2.40 at the moment here, guys, for DogWifHat. Still had a very, very bullish sort of reversal out of this $1.50 support pocket. And over the last 7 days, we've actually had a really good rally here for DogWifHat. I think you can just see these charts speak for themselves, up from $1.55 to $2.39. Now, the thing is with DogWifHat, this particular coin did exist, not for insane amounts of time. Of course, the inception really began on CMC and CoinGecko around sort of very early 2024. And what happened in January is we start to see all this fresh search volume. So if we look at the sort of last sort of 12 months on the search volume here for DogWifHat, it started around sort of December. It picked up really strong in February and March. But since then, we're back to these sort of low search volume lows that we can see in January and February of last year. So the retail interest for these coins is not here. Except one thing for sure is, yes, the search volume is the same and the overall interest is just as bad as it was over here when it just newly incepted, but the difference is the price is actually, of course, looking way juicier. So these charts, although a little bit similar, because of course these charts will also copy the search volume. You can see this thing popped off in March, and you can see also around March it also popped off in price. But yeah, obviously we want to see DogWifHat go up more, and I think a good thing is total supply 998 million, looking pretty good. So yeah, we can identify that smart money is not here. Or smart money is here rather, is the only thing holding the market and keeping it strong. There's not a lot of fresh liquidity coming in. DogWifHat hits new monthly high after 40% price rally. WIF rallies to a monthly high after a 7-day bull run, added 40% to the meme coin's value. So yeah, looking pretty good over here as well. So lots of new volume coming. Solana meme coin DogWifHat is back among the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization after experiencing a 41.44% uptick over the past week. So yeah, things looking good on the volume side as well. Now looking at the overall price structure, DogWifHat has broken through finally a major resistance and flipped into support. So we were looking at that sort of $2.27 to $2.36 range, and we blasted through. We had this W pattern style broken out of. Things are looking pretty good again. Now what we really want to see is DogWifHat come up to this particular level at $3 plus. That's the next sort of diagonal resistance, and I have a big target in mind. I really want to see that breakout of resistance. Of course, it won't be an all-time high, but $4.11 is a really key area to get back to. If we use our Fib tool, take the top all-time high, we can also see the pragmatic targets we've got for DogWifHat are between the 2.6 and a 1.6 golden pocket Fibonacci's over here, which would actually, lead DogWifHat token to go up at least 2 to 3x by the time we hit the top of the upcoming bull run. That'd be really beautiful if something like that could happen. Looking at the 4-hour time frame here for DogWifHat, it looks like we are consolidating quite nicely. We've had some selling wicks, as we can see, but we have got a nice up rally of support regions. We can see that as well. So we're creating a bit of a symmetrical triangle, which could lead to hopefully another breakout to the upside. That would be absolutely brilliant if we could get something like that occur. But you can see this is now consolidation on the 1-hour time frame. We did hit overbought on the RSI, but that's cooled off again. And looking at the 4-hour, the RSI is still beamingly hot. It's still sitting in the sort of 60s, 70s. And me personally, I always buy and dollar cost average into meme coins when they're in the complete inverse, the opposite zone. I'd be looking for the extreme fear and all of the fear that comes with it. So be fearful when, be greedy when others are fearful. And if you were to have accumulated around some of those regions, you would have kind of bought at these beautiful $1.40 marks, which would of course provide you a lot of resistance against volatility and immunity against bearish moves in the market. Because if you did buy at $1.50, of course you've got a lot of now space on the downside, which you can, even if this coin corrected another 20%, you're still going to be in profit. And that's why I think it's very important to get in the habit and routine of buying oversold assets on the sub 30 RSI when, very important, big when you're in a bull market, of course. So when you're in a bull market environment, yeah, that $1.50 was a perfect pocket for reaccumulation. And now we are sitting at $2.39. So still could go down, but I think DogWifHat is still a very key token out there. Also, guys, if you want to become a patron, got 16 slots left for new members. If you want to get trading signals like the ones you see on screen, unlock financial freedom, time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom, because you can trade anywhere, follow our signals, and hopefully make some big gains. You can see a lot of people are making some insane amounts of money over here, guys. So yeah, really big well done to all the traders in the group. Keep it up, you guys are amazing. And any newcomers, just join the Discord or the Patreon down below. Quick update on DJ Corner. Pepe and Chain raised $4.3 million now, which is really nice to see. At $4.5 million, they will be going up in price again. So it's now pricing at 0.0085277. This is a layer 2. It's effectively Pepe now with its own dedicated block explorer. You can see here it says the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. So it does look very cool. You can see there's also some decent staking rewards with 435% per annum available, and you get 608 Pepe coins per Ethereum block as staking rewards. Also, they've just raised $4 million and they were celebrating this massive movement. They've got tons of retweets and likes here, which does mean that we could have a big community and culture waiting to see this coin go live and absolutely go wild. Hopefully it can be a 10x, but do remember, it's not financial advice. This launch will happen soon once the pre-sale ends. It says Pepe was more than a meme coin, it's an actual meme ecosystem. So check out this coin down below if you want to research it, buy it. Remember, not financial advice. And just looking at DogWifHat, I think overall, you know, we're just doing pretty good. I think it's in a great place. It was literally at 7 cents at the start of 2024, and it's held structure so well. A coin that's really nice. On the market accessibility, you've got Binance, still no Coinbase. I don't know why Coinbase doesn't really list many like meme coins. Sorry, I just need to move something over here. But like, yeah, it's an interesting one. Guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals. Let's see what happens with DogWifHat over the next few weeks and months. See you very soon. Like the video. You got to like the video, because more people that know about your meme coins, the better they do. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's a little secret right there.